Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix screen dimming on Infinix Note 60. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Display and Brightness. After click on Display and Brightness and turn off Adaptive Brightness button. After turn off Adaptive Brightness button, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so click on Settings app. Now in Setting, click on My Phone and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on Settings app. Scroll down and click on Display and Brightness and turn off dark mode. After turn off dark mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon and you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so last solution is reset all settings. Click on Settings app. Scroll down and click on System. After click on System, click on Reset Phone and click on Reset all settings. And click on Reset and enter your phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix screen dimming on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.